Hi, and welcome to In the Can. And today I'm going to be making a peach pie. I made my crust from a box, and in here I have a half-gallon bag of frozen peaches. I can't tell you exactly how many that is. To that, I'm going to be adding a half a cup of sugar, well, if I get the right one, there we go, half teaspoon of cinnamon, and I need to roll that out a bit. I want a teaspoon of lemon juice, that seed out of there, teaspoon of lemon juice, and 3 tablespoons of cornstarch. And a dash of salt. And there it is. I'm going to mix this to coat all my peaches in it. Oops. I forgot, the most important thing was to preheat the oven to 400 degrees. So let's get it started now. So it'll be preheated by the time I'm ready to pop this that baby in the oven. And these are peaches that I froze myself. I cut them up, put them in a half-gallon bag. So now I'm going to fill my pie shell with the peach mixture. This is nice and full. Get rid of all the excess crap. And set this aside while I deal with the top shell. Here's my top shell of the pie. that aside, and on goes the top shell of the pie. I want to pinch it into the bottom shell so that they stick together. And I'm just going to tear off the excess. And I'm going to use it to help pinch together my top shell and bottom shell. Cover this little hole. And I'll cover this little hole with a patch. Cut 4 slits into the top of the pie to vent. And there you have it. It's not fancy. It's decent. I'm going to take a little bit of foil. And cover the edge. Oops. Of the pie crust. So that it looks something like this when it goes in the oven. Stick it into my preheated oven. And I'm going to let that bake for an hour. And I'll be back. Okay, here's my finished pie. I'm going to cut me a piece of it. It's still kind of warm. Oh, it smells good. Oh, the crust is crumbly. Well, that was inconvenient. My battery died while I was getting a piece out, but got a piece of the pie here. Give it a little taste. Mmm. The peaches still have a little bit of a crunch. I guess that's because I was using the frozen peaches, and they were still frozen when I put them in the pie. So it's not real soft and mushy, and it has very good flavor. Hopefully you enjoyed this recipe and you'll give it a try. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and like, and I will see you next time. Bye.